Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a power hour clean with me, and I've never done one of those, and my house is like crazy messy right now, so I'm kind of nervous what I can get done in an hour, but I'm going to try and do the living room and the kitchen, and hopefully I can get to my bedroom, but my bedroom is really bad. We have been so busy this weekend and things have just gotten thrown everywhere, and most of it just gets stuffed in my bedroom. And just to get it out of the way, which, I mean, there's stuff everywhere. But hopefully I can tackle at least 3 of those rooms and maybe even fold some laundry because I've got a ton of that. So I'm gonna start my timer and I'm gonna work on it for 1 hour and see what I can get done. Also in today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Dom over at her channel. She's gonna be doing a power hour and it's Dom Anderson. So I'll link her channel down below, and as soon as you're done with my video, you'll have to go check out hers. She has so many awesome shopping videos and cleaning videos and lots of inspiration over there, and she is also a boy mom as well. So please go check her out and subscribe to her channel if you are not already. And we're gonna get started with this power hour clean, and it's my first one, so hopefully we'll do good. Let's get my timer started. Got my lemon water ready, and actually I'm not even in a good mood right now. I'm like furious. I'm so mad, so I don't know if this anger is going to give me like extra motivation when I'm cleaning. But in my last video I did the patio and cleaned everything up out there, and I'm still working on some projects and I'm not done with that completely. Well, I just went out there and our Boston Terrier had just shredded my brand new cushions that I bought in the video before that. So they weren't even out there a week, but when I got them, he's never touched our other cushions, never. And when I got these cushions, they were kind of like really soft, kind of like a dog bed, and he always chews up his dog beds, which is why he doesn't have one. Well, he got a hold of one the other day, and I said, I think there's gonna be a problem with him and these cushions. And sure enough, he was out there. He can't get out of our yard, but he goes outside in our backyard, and I can't get him in to come in sometimes. So he wanted to stay out there, and yeah, he chewed up my cushions, and they're sold out. So I can't get any more. So when my husband gets home from riding, looks like we're going cushion shopping because I'm so mad right now. So hopefully that'll give me some motivation. We're gonna start this timer for 1 hour. I'm super nervous, so root for me that I get some good cleaning done. Here we go.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.
Hey friends, if you're visiting from Dom's channel, hello and welcome. I'm Casey, and I do a lot of cleaning, shopping, and lifestyle videos. So if you like those types of videos, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, that would help out my channel so much. Thank you guys.
Yeah, and I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. No, I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. No, I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
I have 3 dogs in my house, a Pomeranian, a Boston Terrier, and a German Shepherd. And German Shepherds shed so much. I definitely have to vacuum every single day, and a lot of the times I vacuum more than once a day. That is why I am so in love with my cordless Dyson vacuum, and this is not a sponsored post, and I know it sounds like a commercial, but I can just take that everywhere. It is so lightweight, And before, when I had my cord, I feel like I would just leave my vacuum in the middle of the floor with the cord strung out, and it was just such a hassle to drag around. And this thing has definitely been a game changer for me.
We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know, no us no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that you don't know, no us no more, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. Yeah. I've tried to explain how much you really mean to me, but I feel a bit insane. Could you just take me seriously? I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs, trying to have fun, but I'm overzealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk, talk, talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk, talk, talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk, talk, talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk, talk, talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Hate playing the game. If I let you in, I want you to stay. And I hope that I'm not wrong, that you also feel what's going on. I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs, trying to have fun, but I'm overzealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk, talk, talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk, talk, talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk, talk, talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk, talk.
You might notice that I have some artwork over there in the corner, and earlier on in the video there was a painting in my dining room and I brought it over there as well. I bought that painting, which is so beautiful and I love so much, and I was going to hang it above that antique mantle behind the dining room table, but it was too big to put there, so I'm really upset about that. But I'm going to find another place to hang the painting, and then there are a few more paintings that I bought with intentions on hanging in a certain area, and it just didn't work out. So I'm trying to decide if I can find another spot for them, which one is a very giant one, or if I should take them back to the store. And oh my gosh, I cannot believe there is only 24 minutes left in my cleaning session. I feel like time flew by so fast. Now I am rushing to get the kitchen done so I can have 3 completed rooms, our main living spaces. So if someone were to stop by, everything would look perfect and clean and in place. So I guess I underestimated how much I could get done in an hour.
Gotta know that you want it. Gotta know that you want it.
My timer's up. My timer just went off, and wow, I thought I could get a lot more done in an hour. Either I'm really slow or my house is really messy, but I managed to get the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen clean. I still have to mop in here. I didn't have enough time to do that within the hour, but it takes me a long time to clean. My house is just crazy because my bedroom's still a mess. I still have a ton of laundry to do. Still haven't cleaned bathrooms, and I have a whole family room down there. So, whew. That is what I was able to complete in an hour today, guys. And next time, this is my goal now. I'm gonna see what more I could do. But I mean, I feel like I cleaned a lot. Like, everything is super clean and shiny, and I just still have to mop these floors. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Don't forget to go to my friend Dom's channel and check out her Power Hour and subscribe to her if you're not already. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.